Hey everybody, this is Brad with Automated Trade Systems. Want to go through a quick tutorial with you on what you're looking at when you look at our BearCat and our Top Gun strategies. Now we're going to start with the BearCat, and the BearCat is a strategy that's counter-trending. So we're looking to capitalize on choppy markets. The beautiful thing about these strategies, you've got our BearCat for choppy or our counter-trending strategy. You've got our Top Gun for trending. And so it doesn't matter what the market does, you're going to capitalize because you've got a strategy that can make money in any market environment. There's no more guesswork. You don't have to try to figure out what's going to happen today. You don't have to read all the news reports and worry about, Bernanke being up on Capitol Hill, or worry about the jobs report coming out, or the consumer confidence report that actually is coming out this week. What you do get to focus on are two very simple indicators that are very complicated and complex in what's happening in the background, but so simple and easy for you to use that we'll be able to teach you these in less than probably 5 minutes, and you'll get it and be ready to start moving forward. So what we look at up in the top, we've got our price. Now price is, these range bars are price movement. So it's 6 pips per bar. There's no time involved. It's purely based on price. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of our system. We've also got our signals. Now, our trade signals, you'll notice LELX, long entry, long exit. These trade signals are telling you when to get into the trade, but if you listen to what I'm going to teach you right now, you'll actually know where you'll be getting into the trade before the trade signals even take place, before they even appear. So you will be 1 bar ahead of what's happening market-wise. Now, how do I read these? Very simple. The blue histogram is our momentum indicator. If it's above the 0 line, you're going to look to go long. If it's below the 0 line, you're going to look to go short. That's all there is to it. Now, the trigger indicator is what gets us into our trades. I'm going to back up to right here. You'll notice that my trigger indicator has been above 0 in these 3, 4, 5 bars right here, and it wasn't until right here that it crossed below 0. Now what I'm looking for, because my momentum is above 0, I'm looking to go long. That's all I will do. So now I'm looking for my trigger indicator to cross from below 0 to above 0. That happens right here. Next bar, I am in the trade, no matter where that bar takes place at. So opening of the next bar, we are in the trade. Unfortunately, we jump back below 0 with our trigger. So that tells me the next bar we're out of the trade. Now I say unfortunately because we didn't stay in the trade for a long time. We were in it for about 10 minutes or 9 minutes, and we made a profit. And then we just look for that to repeat itself. We look for our cross from below 0 to above 0. Here it is. Now that I've seen that cross, I know the next bar that pops up, and this means I know exactly where I will get into this trade because the price movement is going to be 6 pips. So it's either above or below the previous bar. I know exactly where it's going to be. We can set our orders, be ready to go. We cross above, next bar, we're in the trade. Because we go below 0, no matter what happens, next bar we're out of the trade and we make our money. But again, we cross back above 0. Next bar we're in the trade, we go below 0, next bar we're out of the trade, and then again we're looking for long trades up until this point, and then we look for short trades right through here. So now we're looking for a cross from above 0 to below 0, and then we get in the trade. And as you can see, as of right now, it looks like we're headed in a great direction with this trade. We'll see how it plays out. This is an open trade right in this moment. But you can see how easy it is. We're just looking for a cross from below to above. Next bar we're in. If we go back below 0 on the trigger, then we're out the next bar. So it's just a 3-bar sequence. Very simple, very easy for you to learn. I'm going to be coming back to you here in a moment, and I'll give you the instructions and how we read and run with the Top Gun strategy. Again, this is Brad with Automated Trade Systems. I look forward to seeing you in the money room.